Markets continuing Monday's rally. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Tuesday, April the 14th, and we continue the rally. Going into tax day tomorrow, the rally that started actually Sunday night, the big sell-off followed by the big recovery. Now the question is, will the markets make new highs? And obviously I don't have the answer to that, but certainly we are within range now that new highs become a real possibility once again. Certainly, we did not believe the markets could get this far. They had been overbought, and now they've broken out to the upside. So anything goes. The rally could continue. There's a lot of things going on, and certainly, if you're a news follower, the news has been no good. So the markets continue to go against the news, which again is why we talk about you trade the markets technically, not based on what the news is, because the markets already know what the news is, and they have accounted for it. So at the end of the day, the markets are higher across the board this morning once again. There's not much to do here. Certainly, we're getting close to the overbought position where we look to potentially get short. The dollar is below 98, so we've now covered and are flat the dollar and taken our profit there. Euro currency is higher. We're still short. Notes and bonds are flat. We're still short. Bitcoin pushing higher, and we talked about this last night on our Monday call that it looked like Bitcoin was breaking out, and certainly that looks to be continuing. This morning we have no position yet, but that looks to be a potential to continue to rally. The metals are higher. We have no position, but certainly if we can break out the upside, we'll look to be a buyer there. Copper now pushed well over $6. So here we go. This is what we talked about yesterday, that it was hard to imagine that they were breaking out, but once again, copper's over 6, very overbought. We would be a potential seller at 610. Right now, there's nothing to do. Grains are up across the board. We're long. Cattle, we're not playing right now, but it is up near the highs. Hogs are looking to be a buyer at 102 basis June. Nat gas is lower once again, so our long position there is getting a little bit hurt. And of course, crude oil, which is down once again, and it did have that dramatic sell-off from yesterday. So again, here's the story. The news sucks, yet markets are higher. So that's why, forget about the news. Look at the market. Look at it from where it shows what should happen next. And right now, we're getting in some markets overbought and in some markets oversold. And you want to be on the other side of overbought or oversold. Remember that. Be patient. And of course, don't forget about our new daily trade finder, which is simply single day trades that are off by the end of the day. We're kind of playing beat the clock. And of course, our sponsors, Trader Brokerage, Capital Trading Group, The Joy of Mom, our high school program. And have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.